Hi, this is Steve Muller from Keller Williams Realty South Park and Team Steve in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I want to give you an update on the Montclair real estate market and what we've seen over the past 12 months. First off, I'm going to begin with month supply of inventory, which has dropped by 46.4% to 5.9 months inventory. The median sales price has increased 2.6% to $184,500, and the average sales price has increased 10% to just under $184,000. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that we've seen appreciation in a neighborhood, but what it does mean is that we're seeing higher priced homes sell in the neighborhood, which is the beginnings of seeing appreciation in the neighborhood itself. Pending sales have gone up 69%. 49 homes went under contract over the past 12 months, and only 29 went under contract over the previous 12 months. And closed sales has also increased by 59.3%. 43 homes have closed in the neighborhood in the past 12 months, and only 27 closed in the previous 12 months. So all in all, I'm seeing some great indicators in Montclair that we are headed in the right direction. Of course, if you're a seller and you have questions about selling your home and want me to analyze this a little bit further, I'd be happy to discuss this with you. And if you're a buyer and you're thinking about buying in Montclair, I'd be happy to discuss this as well. So once again, my name is Steve Muller with Keller Williams Realty South Park. Please feel free to contact me by all the information at the end of this video or comment at the bottom of this blog. I hope this information helps you, and I hope to speak with you soon.